Hey, beautiful people. So today I am actually utilizing our new African Goddess collection. My birthday is this coming Sunday, and I decided to do a soft launch of this collection that we're actually bringing back come Black Friday. These are the tester bottles, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner of our new and improved African Goddess Rosemary and Red Algae collection. This collection launches in November on Black Friday, but I'm doing a soft launch, which is a very limited edition launch, and it will launch on Juneteenth. It's only right, African Goddess collection, Juneteenth, the color scheme is the same. Stay with me. So anyway, I'm gonna shampoo my hair so you guys can see, what it does. The hair is really dirty. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's do it. So I got my towel, my shampoo. Please don't mind the labels, you guys. The new labels are not here yet. They get here tomorrow. But the shampoo, the conditioner, this is actually how the bottles look in regards to white bottle, white top. And then the leave-in spray is an actual spray, and it is powered again by rosemary, Jamaican black castor oil, as well as red algae. If you don't know anything about red algae, go read up on it. It's high in antioxidants. It's going to give the hair and the scalp exactly what it needs: hydration, moisture, strength, everything all in one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shampoo process. Now keep in mind, you guys, I am using the utility sink in our laundry room. It is not the cutest, it's a utility sink. Don't judge me, but we're gonna go ahead and get this wash day going. So while I'm actually washing my hair, just a little bit of detail about the African Goddess collection. This collection is dye-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and of course the shampoo is always sulfate-free. I wanted to make sure that this collection was a wholesome collection, but also very clean, because in the ethnic community, we don't have a lot of clean products. They don't even strategize to say they want to give us clean products. So why not make Elite Hair Care kind of one of those companies? Now, I'm not saying that there's none, but there definitely is only a few. Okay, pros. So now hair is all washed and conditioned. And of course, the African Goddess conditioner is a 5-minute conditioner. 5 minutes, you guys, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay? You saw exactly what I did with the comb. I had a little bit of shedding at the beginning. I have little to no shedding right now. Now I'm gonna finish off the African Goddess leave-in conditioner. Hold that baby out about 5 to 10 inches away from my head. The African Goddess collection drops June 19th on Juneteenth, 12 a.m., very limited. It's only available for 4 days. You get the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in, as well as a 6-pack of our Goddess clips, which is our gold clips, for a total of $39 because your girl is turning 39, all right? I love you guys. Bye!